Hi there. In this lecture, you will learn how to price an item on eBay when you source it on Amazon. Take, for example, this Brother High Yield Black Toner. On Amazon, it costs $44.57. How much should you sell it for on eBay in order to cover your costs and to earn a profit? When you use a repricing monitor, then the monitor should be able to calculate it automatically. So in this case, this particular item, which costs $44.57 on Amazon, will cost $55.30 on eBay. How do you get to it? The pricing is divided up into two parts. The break-even price, which we have over here on the left, we calculate it at 18.5%. And then your personal profit. So how does that work step by step? First of all, to calculate your break-even price, which means the price you need to charge in order not to lose money, you have to go through a number of factors. First of all, there is the eBay fee. eBay charges 10% of your final value fee, which is the price that you charge your customer. If you charge your customer $10, eBay will take $1. If you charge your customer $100, eBay will take $10. If you have an eBay store, eBay then will charge you only 9%, so $9 out of 100. That fee obviously has to go on your customer. The next thing you have to take into account is PayPal fees. It depends very much on where you are located and also what type of business you have. So the highest level of fee which PayPal will charge you could be 3.9% of the amount you received plus 30 cents. That's the high end. If you have a merchant rate, which means you are selling beyond a certain amount, if I'm not mistaken, it's approximately $10,000 a month of sales, they might charge you only 2.9%. But on average, this here is the amount that PayPal will charge you, approximately 3 to 4%. The next thing you need to take into account is United States sales tax, which Amazon will charge you. Now, of the 50 states, not every state charges sales tax, and the ones that do, it depends on which state the product is being sent to. It can average between 3% to 8%. Approximately 35% of the states pay 8%. So we're going to take into account as if it's a 3% average across any state where you're selling it to, which obviously your buyer has to cover it. Just to make it clear, let's look at Wikipedia, what they say about sales tax. Wikipedia on sales tax in the United States writes here a list of all the states and what they charge. You look down below, you have here, I'll make it a little bit bigger so it should be clear. And you can see some states charge 4, 0, 5.6, 7.2. Each state has its own charges, some are 0. And it also depends on what type of product. Is it groceries, food, prescription drugs, clothing? Each material, each product has a different price. Therefore, we gave it as an average across all sales. There'll be approximately 3% that you have to charge your customer in order so you should not lose money. The next thing to take into account is foreign currency exchange. If you're in the United States, and obviously you don't have to take care of that problem, but if you're in any other country and you're trying to earn a living from eBay, then you'll need to transfer it into your own currency. So on average, you'll need to pay approximately 1.5% foreign currency exchange when you want to cash in the money and put it into your own account. So let's put all these items together. You have 10% eBay at maximum. You have approximately 4% on PayPal. You have approximately 3% United States sales tax and approximately 1.5% foreign currency exchange, which means a total of 18.5% fees, which is your break-even point before you begin to earn profit. Just to make things clear, the break-even price is calculated from the eBay price and not from the Amazon price. That's because eBay and PayPal and foreign currency exchange are calculated from the final amount which you get into your PayPal account, which is the eBay price. So 18.5% is what you need to add on to your price in order to cover any losses. And all of that is before you begin to charge a profit. So how much then should you charge a profit? Our suggestion is to charge 50 cents profit. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but 50 cents profit means when you first sell the item, charge a minimal amount of profit. Once the item sells one time, it's easier to sell it again because then it'll show up on the listing sold once. And then you can raise it to $1, $1.50, or $2, or $2.50, and so on, depending on the price of the product that you're selling, depending on how many times you sell it, and depending upon how active your account is. So it's 18.5% break even, and then at a beginning price, you start off at $0.50, and you go up until you reach some sort of level, whether it's $2.50 or $3 per item, which will be your final profit. That's it for calculating profits and expenses on your eBay items. See you in the next lecture.